Hello everyone, it's Peter here, Piotr Listener. Guys, so this is a new intro video. I will try to be prompt. Hopefully it's below 10 minutes, not above. I want to tell you what it's on the channel. As you see a mess, that's a good thing. That's a positive mess. Why? Because I was before in a half size of this room. Now I moved to the larger room. I'm still moving stuff. And I've got tons of stuff to fix lying on my desk. Lying on the sides, lying everywhere. I'm fixing electronics, okay? I started in 90s, then I've quit it for the IT. I was 3.5 years working in a computer shop, and then from the computer shop I went into networking. So I was doing wireless and wired networks. I was managing 150 clients in the database of connected wireless connections, yes, to that network. Now I went a bit bored with that. I went a bit to fixing again electronics, fixing again IT stuff, and a bit of a sales, and then I went into the web development. Yes, when I came here in 2008 in the UK. Now recently, like in the December 2021, I started to do micro soldering for customers. Before, like half year past, I was doing for myself, and even year before that I was doing only watching videos, hundreds and hundreds of hours. So this channel I've created for two reasons, okay? One reason is that you need a source where you can see how much takes for you each and single process which you're doing. If you've got some cluster, you know, you need to understand how to go out of it, how to learn, process it so that you can fix it yourself. Because if you watching this channel, I assume you would like to learn, or you would like to see what I'm doing, yes? So I'm trying to do 5-star rating on Google for my Inte.Team business, yes? And that's Inte.Team here. And those repairs are for Livingston only, but we've got a plan to have repair shops across the UK. Sign up contracts with repair shops and have them all over the UK. The way we're doing it is to fight for the right to repair, which I will tell you in a minute or two. So let's go back. Yes. So if you are watching this video or on this YouTube channel, you want to know how much hassle you will have, and then when you will reach that hassle, what to do to go out of it, yes, to learn it. Like I was making a review of the Linux tech tips. Guys didn't showing professional work. They are not for that. They've got different mains, but I was explaining, you know, how to do it. Or I'm taking Xbox, or I'm taking Nintendo Switches, yes, or lights, or regular ones, yes, and I'm explaining you how to do things. Then when you're doing it, when you go into Decoder's YouTube channel, Northridge Fix YouTube channel, when you go into Sorin's Electronic School Repair, yes, and other YouTube channels, you don't see amateurs doing it. You see professionals. They can cut scenes, they can do, you know, looking easy, but you don't see it genuinely. There's not many YouTube channels which show you genuine knowledge and the time and everything, how much it took, yes? So here on this YouTube channel, it's not the quickest videos. I will try to make more shorts, and I will try to make as many as I can, but I'm trying to post each and every day video, yes, video per day. So please do subscribe to this YouTube channel if you haven't already. We've got 73 subscribers as I'm looking right now, and it's growing, guys. It's growing. I can see number of views per video. If you can't watch whole video, it's understandable. I can't watch. I'm a subscriber to many YouTube channels, and I'm skipping these videos, but you know what, I'm always trying to learn something new, yes, to help my customers better. I've got even, look, welders, yes, to fix. It's not only game consoles, not only TVs, not only phones, not only tablets, but as well different devices. If you can see, playlists are growing, yes. So I'm trying to do as much content as I can, but everything, yes, everything we're doing, we should be more integrated. If you watch those videos edited, yes, you can't integrate with these people, because these people will cut it, you know, they have to create their content, push this content out, whereas I don't have to do it. I'm doing this content mainly because I want you to have something as a reference to what you're doing here. When you will start to do what I'm doing, you will see that you can rely to it. Whereas if you will be trying to compare yourself to those other channels, it will be difficult, because if you face some too small power on it or too much power on it, you won't know how it's behaving, yes. Whereas on my YouTube channel, you will understand it why. So the same with hot air, yes. Now there is many little details. That's why I've spent hundreds upon hundreds hours before I've started even micro soldering, yes. I was just blindly watching a number of YouTube channels, and I found that there are YouTube channels which are showing, you know, real thing, yes. That's why I want you to understand that this YouTube channel is that you can rely on it. Now the next thing is, we want to build a platform. If you would go to this channel, to this address, Right to Repair, yes, we want to build fixable electronics. To do it, we need to build any electronics or sell any electronics to, you know, to have funds to pay people to build these fixable electronics. Now, in order to do it, we've got a business called Inte.Team, what I've got on at my back, Integrity Team. Now, if we can all people integrate, if we can use genuine good services, yes, then we can get profits. We can use these profits to build sustainable future. Inte.Team will never have profits just to have profits so that owners can drive Lamborghinis, yes. No, profits will be used to write another great project as Right to Repair is. And then when we've got fixable electronics, yes, and we've got a look, how many shops have sex and how you call them, PC word carries, yes. 280 I think is PC world carries, and shops from CEX you've got 380 I think about. So you don't have, you know, you don't have a lot, but you've got, like, in the whole UK, I mean, yes, you've got 700 shops, about less than 700 shops on the day of the recording when I was googling it, yes. So you get about 700 shops, and you can't get your device and say, look, fix me this. And even if you will do it, they charge you tons of money. So we are creating a system called bookRepairOnline.co.uk that will help people who want to learn fixing electronics, that will help people who fixing from home as I do, and that will help other repair shops to integrate into one system. Yes, one system will allow them to work as them, and second will be a system at Inte.Team where they can just advertise that they are doing work over there or take jobs from us, yes. And we can take jobs from all over the UK, and we can give these small and bigger repair shops jobs, and then that will be a trust, that will be like Google 5-star rating, yes. Then if we know that you end customer or other end customers, because you're fixing or learn from us fixing, if we know that we can trust someone, that reputation will go up, yes. So we will be trying to make trainings, we will be trying to invite experts, we will be trying to create games that you can drag and drop components, connect them together, and if you connect them wrong, you suddenly, yes, on the screen. If you connect it right, the flow of the current will be shown, yes. Then you can take another module, yes, like I've got plenty of modules. So let's get like this here, for instance, yes. Let's get, that's a bigger audio amplifier, that's 18 watts, yes, and that's audio amplifier. And how to build it, what is the chipset, what specification this chipset requires, yes, and how to make it working. I've got simpler 5 watts amplifiers, yes, and Bluetooth receivers and other stuff, yes. So we will be building those games based on that. So guys, that's it, and that's it. If you can, please do like and please do subscribe, because that helps to grow this channel. I can see you know what you're watching more, what you're watching less, what I can create so it will create more value. But as you see, we've got a good future in front of us only if we will integrate. Yes, only we need the integration. So guys, thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye. If possible, let's fix them all.